Namaskar, welcome to fortune telling training. Today's video is a continuation of Navamsha, and in this video we are taking up Mars. So the earlier dictum, 10th lord of the planet in the 10th from either Lagna, Moon or Sun, whichever is stronger. From there the 10th house we have to consider the planet in the 10th or the lord, there is no planet of the 10th lord to take. And his Navamsha lord will indicate, and the recognition matter connected with the 10th. So that Navamsha lord will be indicating in which particular field he has got recognition, that is status. That is what you call, it is not livelihood, it is called profession, where he gets the name. That we have already established in the earlier videos. Now in this video, we are taking the Mars as a Navamsha. भौमांशके धातु रणप्रहारे महानस भूमि वशात् सुवर्णात् परोपतापायुध साहसैर्वा म्लेच्छाश्रया सूचक गौरवत्या. This is the shloka. So we will see the meaning of it so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay. See, we are talking about if the 10th lord or the planet in the 10th and is in the Amsha of Mars, the native will be the activities of recognition related to metals, fighting war, kitchen or cooking, land or gold related, harming others, ammunition, adventurous, reliant on bad people, and it also indicates stealing. So that is exactly, it is the word by word meaning. Bhaumamshake, the Amsha of Mars, Dhatu, metals, Prahare, fighting in wars, Mahanasa, kitchen or cooking, Bhumi, land, Suvarnath, gold related, Paropatapa, harming others, or creating problems to others, Ayudha, ammunition, Sahasa, adventurous, Vechhashraya, reliant on bad people, Suchaka, indicate, Gaurvutya, stealing also. So this is the shloka. So here why I have taken this is because the principle is given, but there is always an meaning, that is you should always consider the signification of the planets also, along with in the Rashi chart how he is disposed. So now should dispose it directly, sometimes he may indicate directly the matter. And in multiple credits, if suppose the person has got various fields where he is getting repetition, then it may involve many planets. So therefore what happens then, you have to go for that, you have to go for association of the planet. Navamsha dispositor of the 10th planet or 10th lord in the Rashi chart with whomever is associated or with whomever he is having an aspect, mutual aspect or exchange, conjunction, exchange and mutual aspect, conjunction, mutual aspect and exchange. These are called sambandha. And and also which particular house and houses he is getting involved. All these things will indicate when there is a multiple matters associated with the Navamsha Lord. Now we are taking 10th house, when I take many other houses also. So that 10th house may be related to many matters in the chart. Therefore, we have to go for all this sambandha also. So that is also, therefore, we are doing two charts in this video. One is directly as a Mars. The other one is Mars in association with other planet. Two charts we are going to discuss. So the first one is this is the chart of Adolf Hitler, right? Lagna is Virgo, Kanya Lagna. Lagna is having Saturn aspect. And Lagna Lord goes to 8th house. The 7th house, 8th house. Mercury is in the 8th house. With 8th Lord, with Mars. And 12th Lord, that is Sun. Sun is with Mercury. Now that means this Lagna is not the strong. Sun is with Mercury and Mars, two cruel planets, and an enemy planet, Venus, from opposite group. So he is with Venus also. Here also is Venus also. But because the Lagna is having the Saturn aspect and everything is sitting in the 8th house, therefore Lagna is weak. Sun is also weak because Mercury and Mars, two cruel planets, enemy planet. Venus is from the opposite group. Therefore, the Sun also weak. Therefore, we take Moon in Sagittarius. We take Moon, where the Lord Jupiter is sitting in his own house. Ketu is in the same group planet. Therefore, compared to these two, Lagna and Sun, Moon seems to be very powerful. Therefore, we take from Moon the 10th house. 10th house is Virgo. There are no planets. So Lord Mercury was taken. So he is in 3 degrees 17 minutes, less than 320, hence it is in the Amsha of Mars. So because you have to count for this, Mercury sitting in the Mars. So Mercury sitting in the Aries. So he is less than 3 degrees 17 minutes. So he is in the same Amsha. Therefore he goes to Mars Amsha. So Mars indicates fighting in war, harming or hurting others, and also ammunitions for war. So therefore, the native is noted for all this. This is a clear cut. There is no problem because straight away the pencil is taken. So only the consideration you have to consider from Lagna or from the moon or from the sun is most important. So next, if you go to chart, next chart, Lagna has this is the missile man, our great president of India, that he is a scientist also. Then Lagna is Karkataka Lagna, Jupiter sitting here. It has aspect of Rahu. That is Achadana of Rahu, who also attracts because he is sitting in Jupiter's house. Then this is Jupiter becomes Ashtraya Data. Therefore, this effect, Rahu also behaving like Jupiter. Therefore, it is not going to be a problem on the Lagna. And planet of the Karakatva planet is also closely related to matter of sense for this particular native. It has got something connected with the explosion and explosion matters, and something connected with the space matter. There are no other aspects of Lagna. Sun is in Mercury. Sun. Now Sun. We'll see the Sun. Now Lagna we are seeing. Now we see Sun. Sun is in Mercury house with exalted Mercury. The Sun and Mercury gets a Rahu aspect because Ketu is already crossed them, therefore you get Rahu aspect. Uh, Sun and thus Sun Lagna. This is not that strong. The moon is hemmed between Mars. No, the moon is hemmed between Saturn and Mars and Venus, a planet. Therefore, moon is also not. Therefore, Lagna itself is very strong. So we take from Lagna. From Lagna, 10th Lord is Mars. 10th Lord is Mars. Mars is in Libra, 25 degrees 57 minutes. So he goes to Taras Amsha. He goes to Venus Amsha. The Lord is, that is 10th Lord's Navamsha disposal is Venus. Amsha Lord is not directly indicating subject missile, but Venus indicates expertise and science. Venus is in Libra, 4th house, with Mars. Now the Mars, he is associated with the Mars, conjunction with the Mars. Now that is, Mars is missile, also authority. Venus is science and expertise, and both of them are aspecting 10th house. That is 4,000 watt, 10,000 watt. Due to multiple credit activities, the Amsha Lord may establish relationship, conjunction, exchange, mutual aspect. So in conjunction, he is established with other planet, Mars, to indicate multiplicity of matter. The native is known for missile man. Now the Mars is aspecting his own house, and Amsha Lord is associated with him. Therefore, he will indicate all this matter. Missile man, and he is also scientist. He is also scientist. Then Venus and Mars in 4th, it is Simhasana. This house of Simhasana, aspecting the Rajya, 10th house. So he was famous president of India also. So this is how, when you take Navamsha Disposita, it is not simply one line answer. You have to go through many details of it and how he is disposing the Rashi chart, with whom he is sitting there, with whom he has got exchange, with whom he has got conjunction, and with whom he has got mutual aspect, and which are the houses involved. All these things put together, then you will come to a conclusion that which particular field or fields can be many fields also. So he is noted. So that information can be gathered. So thank you. We'll come with more such good videos.